Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am going to make a lovely video for you. In this video, I am going to use all the past structures. So, so that you can't forget all the structure. I know some of you just learn and forget. But today I am not going to tell you all the structure, but also I am going to keep all the structure in your mind through this lovely video. So this video is gonna be very beneficial for you. So just watch till end. So guys, by by telling one story, I am going to use all the structure like simple simple action, possession, state of being, compulsion, and time, state of being, and time, action going on, and time, possession. So let's start. So guys, there was a boy who lived with his parents. Boy's name was Rohit. He was a student. He had a cycle and some books. Guys, if I talk about his mother was a homemaker. She was a diligent lady. She had a mobile. And if I talk about his father was a farmer. He was magnanimous person. He had a cycle. So guys, so far I have used only state of being and possession. See, now I am going to use further structure. So let's start. So one day Rohit got up early in the morning, got fresh. Then he went into his room and he switched on TV and fan, and he sat on the couch and he started watching TV. After that, his father got up and he got fresh and he went upstairs and he started strolling. And his mother went into the kitchen and she started preparing breakfast. So guys, now I used second form. Got up and got fresh, went to room and switched on TV, switched on fan, and sat on the couch and he started watching TV. So I have used state of being, possession, and simple action in past. Now I am going to use some further structure. Let's start. So guys, after that, his dad took breakfast and went to field, and his mother went to Rohit's room along with breakfast, and she gave breakfast to Rohit, and Rohit also took breakfast. And after that, his mother said, Rohit, get ready and go to school. But Rohit said to his mom, today I will not go to school. His mom got angry listening it. She said, no, you have to go to school today. I don't know. I am not going to listen to you. Then Rohit had to go to school, After that, Rohit went to college and he met with his friend. Then he went into the class and he started studying. When his teacher came and he saw Rohit, he asked Rohit, why had you not been coming to school for 2 days? Ravi said to teacher, sir, I had fever for 2 days. That is why I had not been coming to school for 2 days. His sir said, okay. He didn't say anything. So guys, after that, when college was over, he came back to his home and he saw his room was cleaned. It means his mom had cleaned his room. And seeing his room cleaned, he got happy. After that, he took rest. Then he started looking for his book, which were on the table. When he couldn't find his book on the table, he asked his mom, "Mom, where are my books?" His mom said to Rohit, "Hey, your book had been on the table for 2 days. That is why I kept them into the almirah." Then Rohit said, "Okay." Then Rohit opened the almirah and he took out some of the book and he started reading. So guys, I have used all types of structure, like I used state of being, means with was word, subject plus was word. Then I used position, like subject plus had. Then I used compulsion, like had to plus verb ka first form. Then I used action going on, like was were. Then I used state of being with time. Then I used state of possession with time. Then I used action going on with time. So guys, I used all types of structure. So guys, in this story, if you are practicing like this, you are never ever going to forget all the structure. And while speaking, of course you can speak anything, whatever you want to speak with the help of this type of structure. Now I am going to ask some question related this story, so that we can practice more and more. So let's start. Okay, so what was the name of that boy? Well, the name of that boy was Rohit. Okay, how old was Rohit? Rohit was 15 years old. Okay, did Rohit have a cycle? Yes, Rohit had a cycle. Did Rohit have so many books? Yes, Rohit had so many books. Okay, what about his father? Was his father a farmer? Yes, his father was a farmer. What did his father have? His father had a cycle. Okay. And was his father a magnanimous person? Magnanimous person? Yes, his father was really magnanimous person. He was so innocent. Okay. Tell me about Rohit's mom. Was Rohit's mom a housewife? Yes, she was a housewife. Okay, what did Rohit's mom have? Rohit's mom's had a mobile. Okay, great. So, at what time did Rohit wake up in the morning that day? Rohit woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning that day. Okay, after that, what did he do? After that, he got fresh and he went into his room. Why did he go to his room? He went to his room because he wanted to watch movie. Okay, so when he went into the room, so what did he do? He switched on the fan and he switched on TV and he started watching TV. Why did he switch on fan? Because he was feeling hot. That is why he switched on fan. Okay. Okay, so what about his father? Uh did his father go for a walk? Yes, he went for a walk. Where did he go for a walk? He went for a walk upstairs. Okay. How long did he have a walk? He had a walk for some time. After that, where did he go? After that, he took breakfast and went to field. Okay. So, did Rohit go to college? Yes. First, Rohit denied to go to school, but his mom insisted him to go to college. Okay. So then he went. Yeah, he went to college. Okay. After reaching college, what did he do? After reaching college, he met with his friends. How many friends were there of his? Okay, there were two friends. Okay, after meeting them, what did he do? After meeting them, he went to his study room. Okay, so when he went into his classroom, so what happened? Actually, when he went to his classroom, his teacher asked, "Hey, Rohit, why had you not been coming to school for 2 days?" Then what did Rohit say? Rohit said, "Sir, I had fever. That is why I had not been coming to school for 2 days." So did his teacher scold him? No, his teacher didn't scold him. Okay. Then he, after he attended his lectures. Then he came back home. So guys, after reaching home, he saw his room was cleaned. Okay, so who cleaned his room? Of course, his mother had cleaned his room. Okay, so what did Rohit do? After that, Rohit took a rest, and then he started looking for his book. Did he find his book? No, no, he didn't find his book. Why? Because his uh, mother had kept his book in the almirah. Okay, so after that, did his mother tell him that where like your books are in the almirah? Yeah, she told that your books are in the almirah. So did Karan open the almirah? Yeah, Karan opened the almirah and he took out his book and started studying. Okay, so guys, this is the story. In this story, I showed you how to ask question, how to reply, and how to use all types of structure in one story. I have used all parts, all types of structure, and of course, if you practice like this, you will be able to speak. You don't listen to anyone. You don't say that, okay, that teacher is professional. He is wearing like suit and so many, like he is looking handsome and good and like that. So he can make me fluent English. It is your wrong mindset, guys. Until you speak, you can't be able to speak English. So guys, just believe in yourself and practice again and again like this. Your basic thing can make you fluent English. It doesn't matter what you do and where are you. Until you practice, you can't speak. So if I talk about, like, if you have this type of a structure, of course you are able to speak. And if I talk about, okay, why do, like so many people speak like advanced English, this and that. So guys, until you are perfect in basic thing, how can you speak advanced thing? So advanced thing means, I'm going to tell you actually what advanced thing is actually. So advanced things are like, okay, suppose I'm sad, so I always say that I'm sad, I'm sad. So instead of saying, you just say that I'm blue. If you are happy, why are you saying that I'm happy? You just say that I'm ecstatic. And if anyone is so beautiful, so you say, instead of beautiful, you just say that, oh, she is looking gorgeous, stunning, statuesque, and fabulous, like that. And by this way you can replace your advanced thing instead of saying basic thing. So I'm not going to say that you just go for advanced thing. No, no, no. First thing first, you just perfect on basic thing, guys. Then of course I will tell you how to use all the advanced thing in your conversation and story, and how can you be advanced speaker. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will make so many videos like this, so that you can learn English by situational types of. So guys, so that you can also become fluent in English. And of course, this is a piece of cake. People, they just misguide you. This is very hard. This is very, very difficult to learn. But I'm telling you, literally, it is really very easy. So thank you so much, guys. I will meet you in my next video. Bye.